Hi guys, follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my crazy updates. We are right now on our way to pick up the car, and the funny thing is that the car is behind us because it was being fueled up right now. Neha's not in a good mood today. What happened? Finally, after such a long time, it's the car on my t-shirt. That's the one. आंखें क्या घुमा रही है? जैसे जैसे
और बाद में शायद लोकेशन भी चेंज कर रही हूँ, और जो ब्रिज जो है ना उसको वहाँ से आना पड़ेगा, पहले वाला ब्रिज के नीचे से.
Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. Well, you can see it, it's right in front of you, the BMW M5 competition. I love AMGs. AMGs I feel are better in certain areas, but the excitement for an M5 is always unparalleled. That's kind of weird and awkward. However, this video actually started much long ago. Unfortunately, I cannot put all the clips which I had shot earlier of the car getting sanitized because BMW is like private area है, बाकी customers की car नहीं दिखनी चाहिए, so वो सब scrap कर दिया. Otherwise, you would have seen me going. You can still see me going to the BMW dealership. Neha was kind enough to drop me in the Honda Civic. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the car for a quick spin. Today we're going to do photo shoot. We're going to do some vertical informational videos, and that's about it. Tomorrow we're going to be shooting the vlog. But let's see how Neha reacts to the M5 because she's such a massive AMG fan now. It's kind of awkward. I am so jumping with joy. Honestly, I had a massive headache. Everything is gone immediately thanks to this beautiful BMW. Why does the car heat up so much? Anyways, let's turn on this beast right away. Look at this button. Here we go. Oh my god, it absolutely rose to life. What a machine. In drive mode. Love it already. Hey, what's up?
Sometime be on time.
Be on time?
Yeah, which you are never. And then you lie in front of the camera, but I am there.
Having 617 horsepower every time does not mean you're going to be on time, because where is the place to put all that power down? Anyways, are you excited?
No,
I told the camera the same thing. Neha's not going to be excited. She's an AMG person.
obviously.
हाँ, थोड़ा excitement दिखाओ ना कैमरा के सामने.
जब मैं हुई नहीं
तुम एकदम चॉप करती हो यार. तुम
You tell me क्या?
Hey Neha, what's up? Finally we are in a BMW, and that also an M5. That too a competition after 8 months. The last car we drove from BMW was the 530i M Sport. Oh my goodness,
And
this.
it's a very classy color.
And here's the good news. I've got a gift for you.
You and gift?
Yes, it says All New City Rush of Supremacy. Yeah, it's for you. हाँ, सबको एड्रेस दिखा दो. एड्रेस वाला पार्ट मत खोला करो.
Sorry.
Yes.
Nice. Yay.
Unbox it.
मतलब हम BM M5 में हम Honda City करने वाले.
You know why? Because the tail lights of the City have been copied from the BMW. Funny thing, I'm driving the Verna Turbo also, na? उसका instrument cluster भी same ही है.
Same ही है.
So what happened? I was going now to office. I was overtaking a car. I got into the throttle, and it didn't move. And I'm like, what happened? Then I'm like, oh, Faisal, you're not in an M5. And you know what? There's an X1 I can see ahead, and he's put the M colors on the grill.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see it or not.
ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. I hope he doesn't touch our car. I am actually struggling to open
उधर
this.
left side में डालो.
अरे 1 minute, I'll clear everything. मेरे डोले बन रहे हैं. I am literally struggling. And अगर कुछ फालतू निकला ना.
तुम्हें पता है ये सबसे महंगी अनरैपिंग है दुनिया में. Do you know why?
Because it's an M5.
Because the M5 is like sipping fuel like it's nobody's business. अभी बैठी ना रेंज 30 किलोमीटर से नीचे आ गई है.
हाँ, तो
Which is technically 10 liters of fuel. Obviously अभी 10 liters of fuel तो पिया नहीं इसने. Because average is like average fuel economy is around 2.5 to 3 kilometers per liter.
You also got this?
I think they must have sent 5-6 for everyone in the Motorbeam team. But the one which I got, I have gifted you. You know why? Because you love the City, the car you wanted to buy, but you ended up with a Duster.
City.
Yeah.
Me.
तुम सिटी में रहती हो या विलेज में रहती हो? खोलो आंटी. People are waiting so that you open this gift, we show it to them, and we get driving the M5 and rev the motor, because I already configured the M2 mode right now. And right now you can see the configuration is absolutely mind-bogglingly phenomenal. In fact, we'll do something very risky, which is, okay, this is Sport Plus. Let's get into DSC. We turn off DSC, we get into, okay, she's already opened.
Thank you for joining at digital launch of All New City. ये तो मेरे पास है.
Oh, yes.
These people are a little late.
Hey, happy birthday in advance. Congratulations. Let's get going. But before we get going, I have another gift for you. This one is from BMW.
Ah, this looks exciting. Oh wow. This one ना तुम रख लो, तुम्हें ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, तुम सैनिटाइजर भी नहीं लेके आते हो, so henceforth
अरे हैंड मास्क हैंड ग्लोव्स
hand
पता है हमारे वेयर हाउस वाला मेल बेचता है हैंड ग्लव्स को ग्लॉस लिखता है GLOSS.
मास्क इज वेरी गुड क्वालिटी.
अगर उस मास्क पे M5 लिखा होता ना
तो तुम देते ही नहीं ना.
तो मैं तो नींद में भी मास्क पहन के सोता.
ये hashtag right in front of the nosy.
The car is actually off, but you can hear the fan because obviously it has to cool 8 freaking cylinders. We have come to this nice location to do a photo shoot, and I see an empty area around. I get tempted. I turn on traction control and I spin. Really?
गिली होती है.
Done with your makeup?
No.
Then still doing or what?
No.
How much you makeup you do, huh?
Shut up. I don't put any makeup.
अभी तो लगा रही थी बेटी.
मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया. You want to go for a drive? M5 में he will take you for a drive.
So doggy. Don't go. Listen. It's M-Power.
Not so good, but yeah, it's very good. Hi.
Hey, what's up?
Car is far.
What do you like the most?
M2.
M2?
Yeah.
M2 is another car from BMW.
अरे dude, M2 वाला बटन रे बाबा.
अच्छा वो तो कॉन्फ़िगर कर सकते हो ना. Anyways, this is almost a day later. Everything has been done. We've finished the vlog. We've shot the driving part. We've done everything. सब कुछ हो गया मतलब B-roll वीडियो सब कुछ हो गया साउंड रिकॉर्डिंग की. लेकिन एक छोटा सा इशू नहीं, ये दूसरे वाले हैं. लेकिन एक छोटा सा इशू हो गया है, वो हम बाहर बात करेंगे. पहले आपको बता देता हूँ हाउ गुड द कार इज. सो द थिंग इज आई एम बोर्ड इन द कार बोर्ड बिकॉज लाइक आई टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी it happened with the Mercedes, it happened with an Audi, and it had to happen with the BMW also. I wonder where do we drive. There is no road which is smooth, absolutely none. There is no smooth road only. I don't know how these roads get approved only. Who approves the contractor? Who approves all this? Yeah, freak. No road is smooth. So frustrating. Anyways, the N5's love story comes to an unforeseen end because of the tire issues. However, right now I'm just going to go and chill, put myself in a hot bathtub or something like that. The funny thing is I don't even have a bathtub, but I don't know where I'm going to put myself right now because I just want to. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Because you get into the accelerator. Right now we're not even in the dynamic mode, but if I press a dynamic mode or M2 mode, you know, your mood can change in seconds. Literally, it's just absolutely insane, the thrust from this motor. And बंद करो यार, मैं टायर्स बनाना स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ. पिरेली है ना, पिरेली के टायर्स एकदम ऐसे ही होते हैं. फॉर्मूला 1 में भी फटते रहते हैं, यहाँ पे भी फटते रहते हैं. The M5 is pretty much a 5 Series when you're driving it sanely, but you have to be super careful over bad roads because, yeah, you can't take it a little bit faster also because it's usually on the stiffer side. They've actually stiffened it up further, reduced the ground clearance. for the competition over the regular M5. I love the performance. It's really, see, I'm actually driving so slow because all these expansion joints and potholes, you really have to be very careful. You need a smooth tarmac to drive this car. Actually, any car, any sports car, any performance car, any car with a 8-cylinder engine, probably that's not the case if we talk about the SUVs. You guys have already seen it, but I'll still show it to you. Well, this just happened, unfortunately. Yeah, you can see that it looks so obnoxious with the spare wheel. They make the most ugliest spare wheels and so small the tire size now. Even on 5% of throttle now, it's scrambling for traction. Jaguar actually makes nice spare wheels. Anyways, I just want to end this vlog because कुछ है नहीं बोलने के लिए, because अब गाड़ी का टायर चेंज करके, I mean, I have to send back to BMW. BMW will change the tire, they send me back the car, and then we'll make a fresh vlog of the beautiful M5. The short experience I had was really fun. Car feels special, nice and fun. Obviously, handles also very nicely. Only thing is, our roads are just not meant for such cars.